Welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to insert a worksheet. So first we will know what is worksheet in Excel. Worksheet is a collection of cells where you keep and manipulate the data. Each Excel workbook can contain multiple of worksheets. So I will show you 2-3 ways to insert worksheets. So let's start. First, the quickest way to insert a worksheet in Excel, just click in the plus sign in the bottom of the workbook. Here you can see it's given a message that new sheet. So click here, it will add sheet 2. If you want to add more, click just right click and select insert. So a pop-up window will come and just select worksheet and then press OK. So worksheet will add. See, sheet 3 is added here. You can do one thing also. Just click on the home tab and just click on insert and then insert sheet. Sheet 4 is added here. So that's it for this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel.